Hello everyone. So I'm inside Dollar Tree and I noticed that they have some new organization, these bins here that are, round. Has anyone tried them? Do they work well? I've tried these, but they didn't work out too well for me. Just the handles and stuff got in the way. I feel like these are newer, but I've seen packaging, I think, around Mother's Day for them. Do you have a favorite mug from Dollar Tree? Sometimes they have some really nice ones. Found some really heavy-duty ones before, but they don't have any here. Let's take a look at some more of the organization bins. Again, more of these. Lots of different colors to choose from. I like the ones with the laser cutouts too. They're cute, especially in a craft room. And they have some tinted shoebox ones, which are great. Even if you're storing small seasonal items, then they're color coordinated. Oh, this one's nice and large. It's quite deep. I haven't seen these glass cutting boards in a very long time, so this is a pleasant surprise. Bowls up top are too high for me to reach, but are these plastic? The ones with the butterfly print? I feel like these are kind of newer. They're smaller than the big ones we normally see. They have these new tinted glasses. So there's this shorter glass and then the stemmed glass up top and even a tall glass. They have the bonus packs of these. These seal really well. They're really nice for snacks too, to send in a kid's lunch box. I've never had a problem with them. I think I'm gonna get another pack because normally it's just 2 in a pack. Pepperidge Farms makes really nice treats. They're the ones that make the goldfish. I'm not sure if you're familiar with them, but I've never seen these before. Milk chocolate macadamia. This is new, oversized. It's only 2 in there. I feel like some of this stuff is new. Again, I'm not super familiar with the bags because I don't normally buy them from here. Once in a while, in an emergency. Some stores actually have some samples hanging on the end of the display shelf, but this store here doesn't. And that's when you run into trouble with people opening the boxes. These I like for the bathroom. Now, I feel like I had purchased some that were unscented, but they may have been originally vanilla scented, just didn't have a throw at all, no smell. These are a little too small, I think, for my bathroom garbage. But yeah, I prefer something that doesn't have a smell. I am so excited to see the flour sacks back at Dollar Tree. I think they're wonderful. They're great for crafting, for the kitchen, just so many really great uses for these. So there are some new bottle brushes. I just don't know if there's a difference. If anyone's used them, do you prefer one over the other? They also have these. SOS sponges, heavy-duty ones. And then they have the Brillo. So these come 2 in a pack, and then the SOS is only 1. I actually don't mind these napkins. I've tried them before, the smaller pack versus these larger packs. The larger packs are a thinner napkin, if that makes a difference at all for you. Some accessories on the back wall here. Dollar Tree also has like dusters and mops, accessories here to help with cleaning. Now, I wouldn't say that they're the best quality, but they'll do the trick. These are a little bit plushier than they used to be. I feel like they're a little bit thicker. These are new, and I really like this style. They're a square. Love the colors, but I actually prefer the one underneath. But I'm going to need to find more because one of each isn't going to do the trick. I wanted to share with you that they have these little Easter sprinkles, and it's kind of hard to share, but they have little chicks and eggs. Some have carrots. Look at these. Bunnies. So cute. These are made by Orb, which is a company. You're going to pay a lot more for something like this at a Mastermind Toys or a Toys R Us. They feel a little bit slippery on my hands, though. Cute little things to put in an Easter gift basket. I wonder if anyone has done a cute garland with these wood pieces. So a lot of the gardening things are starting to appear in the Dollar Trees, but these are the most important things that are going to go so fast. These are stackable containers. These actually are mini, and they come in a pack of 2. Some new things hanging here on the pegs. They have more planters. So if you're starting your indoor gardens, look at all the floral. A lot of purples this year, I feel. They have a lot of pinks and purples. Look at this one. So pretty. Every so often, I do notice that Dollar Tree puts out some new party supplies. So just keep an eye out, especially if you're doing a theme. You can really save a lot of money by purchasing some of your supplies here and then putting together the birthday theme. But you do have to be mindful and keep an eye out because it's not always that they have a great selection. Like, look at this. I guess this is part of the summer line. These are little coasters. How cute for a backyard tropical party or something like that. These are also coasters, but I think they're too small and your cup might topple over. I'm just not sure how they would function. There's a pineapple. And some decor. Now these pieces are really, really thick. This is a newer find at Dollar Tree. I'm not familiar with the brand, but it comes with a full set. I used this banner for my sister-in-law's baby shower, and it was so cute because it's simple. You can dress it up around all of the other theme. What type of games can you play with the little ducks? Like a baby shower game or bridal shower game? This is at the very back of the store, a full end cap, and I have to share with you the little sailboats. They're just so cute. I can't reach them, so I'll grab them in a minute. Let me share with you all the little houses that are here. You could easily paint them if you don't like the colors. That's the one thing with these, and they're so well made that you could have quite some fun redoing them. Like, how cute are these? A flower. Oh, look at this. This one has little corns, but look, little entrance doors. But look at this one here, the little cart. It's probably my favorite. I love it. It's just so cute. This one has a little gnome, a little face on the tree. Cute. Here are the little mini sailboats. How cute are they? Dollar Tree usually also carries a good selection of closet organization things. So there's a mattress cover. I'm not sure how good this is, but if somebody has any feedback, let us know. I also wanted to take a look at the snack aisle. If you see little packages like this Appleton, typically it's brand named goodies in here. So these are the real fruit. I've found Hershey's Kisses, Reese's Pieces. This little piglet is just too cute. These are all felt kits. So they are like this, and then there are different little characters. Little hippo. Which one is your favorite? These are new as well. There's a little bike. They're already pre-cut. Little cross stitch. Lots of new things here. Oh, look, a sunflower as well. These little paper kits are great if you're just starting out with paper crafts. Then you have a variety of papers to work with at least. And then there's lots of glue and adhesives. These are glass little bottles, and they have a glass eyedropper in them. Super exciting find at Dollar Tree is the 1 yard of fabric. I don't know if anyone else has been finding them. These are flying off the shelf. There's a variety of fabric, and then they have these little squares as well. So I think this is perfect for even for my type of crafting. I like to cut up little pieces of material sometimes for my journaling, my junk journaling, and this is cute too. But I was hoping to see if I could do some other things with this. So anyways, I'm gonna finish up in this aisle, and then I think I'm gonna head home because I've been here for a very long time. A few pieces are from Dollarama, the dishware. The heart dishware is from Dollarama, and then there are a few pieces I share with you from Dollar Tree. I hope this inspires you. Thank you so very much for walking through Dollar Tree with me, and until next time, everyone, bye for now. Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Don't like to be a bother.